Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to create animated AI companions using Grok AI. The idea of creating animated AI companions might seem like a complex task, but with Grok AI, it becomes a fun and straightforward process. Imagine having a digital buddy that you can interact with right in your web browser. Whether you're looking to enhance your website, create an engaging project, or simply explore the fascinating world of AI, this tutorial will guide you through every step. We'll make use of Grok AI to generate a complete web app and then run it using Replit, a platform that allows you to test your project live in the browser. Let's dive in and have some fun creating. To get started, first open your web browser. Use your preferred search engine to look up Grok AI, or if you already know the URL, you can enter it directly into the address bar. Once you're on the official Grok AI site, you'll notice that the Companion Builder feature is only available with a premium subscription. But don't worry, we can still create a working AI companion by using Grok to generate a fully self-contained HTML web app. Let's jump into the process within Grok. In the chat box, you can type a specific and clear prompt. For instance, you might say something like, create a complete self-contained HTML file for an AI animated companion web app. Be sure to articulate exactly what you want. You might want your companion to be an animated character positioned at the center of your page. Additionally, detail features you'd like, such as a chat box for input, a response area, and simple CSS animations to give life to your AI companion. Specify that all scripts and styles should be included inline, so that the result is a single, ready-to-run HTML file. Once your prompt is crafted, go ahead and submit it. After Grok processes your request, it will return the necessary code. Copy everything it provides, starting from the opening HTML tag and ending with the closing tag. With this code in hand, head over to Replit in your browser. In your project on Replit, paste this HTML code into the main HTML file. Replit might suggest prompts or display an assistant panel. You can type something like, build this app, to let Replit handle any configuration it needs and to set up your app preview. Submit this prompt to proceed. Once you have everything set up, click to preview and run your app. You should see the interface with your AI companion appear. It won't be fully three-dimensional, but you will typically see a lively animated or emoji-style face in the center of the page, along with a chat box where you can type messages. Experiment with different prompts and see how your companion responds. If the outcome isn't quite what you expected, head back to Grok. Refine your original prompt, adding clearer instructions or styling adjustments as needed. Then regenerate the code and paste the updated version back into Replit. And there you have it. By creatively combining the coding power of Grok with Replit's in-browser development capabilities, you've built an animated AI companion. Remember to save your project and keep your code free from any sensitive information. You can always iterate on your prompt to enhance the animations, personality, and layout of your companion. If you ever wish to explore more advanced features, consider upgrading to Grok's premium plan for the full native companion builder experience. Happy building! We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to create animated AI companions using Grok AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.